Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is a really simple card I'm making today, but oh, it's so pretty. When I went to the supermarket the other day, I wanted to get some eggs, but they had everything I wanted but eggs, and I need eggs because I'm a type 1 diabetic, and I find if I eat anything which is high carb in the morning, like toast or cereal or oats or porridge or anything like that, my blood sugar will just spike into the gods. It'll be really high. So I found that if I have like 2 eggs, 2 poached eggs and 2 grilled tomato for breakfast, and that's what I have every day, and a turkey rasher, I can control my morning spike much better. So I needed eggs as the end of my story, and they had no eggs, so I had to go to another supermarket, and outside that supermarket, Waitrose to be specific, here in Lincoln, they have a line of cherry blossom trees, like 5 of them, and oh, they were all in full bloom, and the blossom was so full, and oh, it was just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And that's the inspiration for this card, for the blossom, because this card reminds me of that beautiful cherry blossom. So let's get started. We're going to start off with some stamping, and I've got here a tiny piece of Whisper White, and I really hope I'm going to manage to stamp straight in it, but we'll see. And this piece measures let me see, it's a very small piece, 2.5 centimeters by 9 centimeters. So the stamp set we're going to be using is an old one called Perennial Birthday. Now I have it as a woodman because it is that old, but it's available now only as a clingman, which is still the same good quality red rubber. And I have an awful feeling that the stamp set is going to retire this year. So if you like it, as I do, don't hang around, get it, because the retire. I'm filming this on Sunday the 19th of April, and the retirement list will go ahead on the 22nd of April, but this is mostly going to go live the week after that, so it will have most of the retirement, when you're watching this, losing my words, the retirement list will have gone live. So I'm pretty sure this is going to be on the retirement list, so if you like it, get it before it goes, because it's a popular set. And I'm going to stamp it here in Bermuda Bay ink, and let's see. And the reason I love this set so much is I love these big bold greetings, I really do. The small greetings are fine for inside cards and such like, but I think for simple card fronts, big bold greetings are just wonderful, because we have such lovely paper, and you don't want to cover it up sometimes with tons of stamping. Whoa, look at that. I don't think that's too bad at all. I'm well impressed with myself. So let's close up the ink pad before we have a disaster and move all of that aside. Let's put this to dry and bring back the rest of our bits. So this is Bermuda Bay, one of my all-time favourite colours. I absolutely love this colour. This is a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I've got a piece here of Designer Series paper, and this is the Parisian Blooms, and it is gorgeous. And the colour here is Pool Party, but I felt Pool Party goes so well with Bermuda Bay. So I'm going to use Snail to stick it down. Okay, and actually before I stick it down, I'm just not thinking today, I'm going to do my ribbon, and this is the Bermuda Bay mini striped ribbon, and I need 2 pieces that are going to go across my card, so let's cut those now, otherwise if I don't do it I'm going to have to rip everything else up afterward, which I've done many a time unfortunately. And I'm going to put a bit more snail, but just along the edge here. Okay, and if you do like me just now and get it on a bit over the side, just tuck it back in, it'll be absolutely fine. So I'm going to want my sentiment to go somewhere, I think around here, so it gives me an idea of where I want to put my first piece of ribbon, which is somewhere like that. So I'm just going to wrap it round, and then I'm just going to put my sentiment again down, bearing in mind I'm going to have it on a piece of it's going to be matted as well, so to leave a little bit extra. And then I'm going to wrap my ribbon down, and then I'm going to stick all of this down onto my card base. Okay, just like that. Okay, now I'm going to take my sentiment and I'm going to put some snail on the back of that, and I've got a piece here of the champagne foil, and this measures just what does this measure? 9.5 by 3 centimeters. So I'm just gonna put that in the center there, and then I'm going to pop this up on dimensionals as well. Okay, and then take all these backs off. Okay, and then bring this here, and we're just going to plonk this in between our 2 lines of ribbon, like that. So that's what we've got so far. Finishing touches, I'm going to use here the rhinestone champagne rhinestones, and I'm going to just put one there for a little bit of bling, and that is my card done. Sweet and simple, but I really like it. Reminds me of the beautiful spring weather we have outside. I hope you liked it too. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for future videos. If you want any more information about this card, it'll be on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links, including my Facebook group, are in the description box below. So thank you once again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!